I'm Jennifer, and I'm here with Alan, and we are getting ready to go on a wonderful big trip to Colorado. We're going to go on a Royal Gorge Train ride and take you through the beautiful scenery of Colorado. Our best friends will be here any minute to pick us up. We're going to have a wonderful time, and we're super excited about it. But before we get started on our trip, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's take a tour on the Royal Gorge Railroad, Colorado's first and finest scenic railroad. This is our friend's son Kyle. He loves working on the train. At Christmas time, this train turns into a wonderful Christmas train. These little buildings are decorated so nicely, and Santa awaits with his elves to join all of the children on the train to celebrate and give them gifts. And then Santa rides along the train the rest of the route with all of the kids. This is the Royal Gorge Suspension Bridge. This is the highest suspension bridge in the entire country. It spans 1,260 square feet across. That is 1,257 wooden planks. This bridge is 1,053 feet above the river. And as you can see, it also has trolley cars and even zip lines.
When you were born, your mama said, the Lord bless you and keep you in everything that you do, take heart. When you were 8, your daddy said, never take your life for granted. Believe in second chances, my love. When the world spins madly on, remember that you belong. You are strong, you are brave, you are all you're meant to be. Everything you ever dreamed came true. When you laugh, when you cry, I'll be always on your side, and thank God for you and me.
We just returned home from our trip to Colorado. We had such a wonderful time with our friends and their son Kyle that lives in Colorado and works on the train. It was a really awesome time. I'm so grateful we were able to go, and we feel so blessed to have such wonderful friends. I would be so happy if you subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.